16,000 kilograms fake Chinese garlic seized and destroyed at India-Nepal border. In Maharajganj district of Uttar Pradesh, the Customs Department has recently seized 16 tons of Chinese garlic, which is considered extremely dangerous for
इस
health.
लहसुन के खाने से
Fungus was
आंतों में
found in this
सूजन होती
garlic
है,
in the lab test,
बैन है,
after which
लेकिन
it was
अभी भी
banned.
काला बाजारी के
After which
जरिए
the Customs
भारत
Department
पहुंच
buried
रहा
the garlic
है।
in the
नतीजा
soil with
लाखों
the aim
भारतीयों
of
की सेहत
destroying
से
it.
खिलवाड़ किया
As
जा
soon as the officials left the spot, children, elderly, and women of the local village reached the spot and started digging the soil to take out the Chinese garlic, after which there was a competition among the villagers to take out the garlic. According to the information, during the last 1 month, the Customs Department has confiscated about 16 tons of Chinese garlic smuggled from Nepal to India in different seizures. Health experts say that this Chinese garlic is extremely harmful for health. The fungus present in it can cause serious diseases. Still, the villagers are taking it. A villager said that we are not taking it for eating, but for sowing the fields. After this entire incident, the question is that when it was known that Chinese garlic is dangerous for health, then why was it not completely destroyed? Why did the department not completely destroy the garlic by burning or in some other way instead of burying it in the soil? After burying the garlic in the ground, the villagers easily take it out and take it home. The villagers say that due
चाइनीज
to the high
लहसुन है
price of garlic in
ये
the market,
आर्टिफिशियल
they have
है,
taken
खाने
it to
से
the
पता
village
लग
for
रहा है
selling.
तो
However,
आर्टिफिशियल कोई भी
experts
हम
believe
चीज
that
लेते
using this
हैं
garlic in
सबसे
certain
पहले
form can be
है
dangerous.
उसमें
A
अगर
customs official
एसजीपीटी
said
को
that when
इसने
the
थोड़ा
seized
सा भी
Chinese
बढ़ाया
garlic was
तो
laboratory tested, it was found to be infected with a fungus, due to which it was banned in India. Regarding Chinese garlic, Dr. Amit Rao Gautam said that it is very dangerous for our health because it is not produced through natural process. It is grown artificially. It has many side effects, like gastritis, stomach swelling, etc. That is why it has been banned in India. What is Chinese garlic? Allium sativum, aka garlic, is known as a magical spice. It forms an important part of Indian meals. When choosing garlic, make sure to check it thoroughly before buying from the market. Chinese garlic is often produced using modern farming methods that involve the extensive use of chemicals and pesticides, raising concerns about its safety for consumption.
इसी लहसुन की
The presence
कली
of synthetic
छोटी होती
substances in
है,
some
चाइनीज
cases
लहसुन का
can
छिलका
pose potential
पतला
health
होता है,
risks.
वहीं
For
देसी
overall
लहसुन का
well-being,
छिलका
it's important
मोटा
to be
होता है।
cautious of such products and consider alternatives that are grown using safer, more natural methods. While there's no direct evidence of China selling garlic to Nepal specifically to be resold to India, there are reports of Chinese garlic being smuggled into India via Nepal, a practice India has banned due to concerns about health risks and quarantine pests. Here's a more detailed explanation. Smuggling route. A common practice is for Chinese garlic to be imported into Nepal and then smuggled across the border into India, particularly in regions like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and the Northeast. Indian ban. India has a ban on Chinese garlic imports since 2014, primarily due to concerns about fungus-infested garlic and the potential for quarantine pests like Amblysia alii, dry rot, to enter the country. Seizures. Indian customs authorities have reported increasing seizures of smuggled Chinese garlic, particularly in areas where the garlic is trafficked via Nepal. Health risks. Some reports suggest that Chinese garlic may be chemically treated or bleached, raising concerns about its safety and quality. Other garlic producers. While China... Thanks and watching.